Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn the topic of urbanization is related to the processes of social change. How social changes occur due to the impact of urbanization on Indian society. How society transform or how society changes due to the impact of urbanization. And first one is we are discusses next lecture before lecture is the industrialization. Due to industrialization, what changes is occur in the society, and now due to the urbanization, which type of changes occur in the social life of the people. Now, what is industrialization? The definition of industrialization is, according to Anderson, urbanization is a two-way process that involves movement from villages to cities and change from agricultural occupation to business, trade, service, profession, and change in the migrants' attitude, beliefs, values, and behavioral patterns. The second topic is urban community, urban and urbanization, cities and civilization. Cities are growing very fast with the rapid phase of their life due to the impact of urbanization is one of them, and industrialization is also leads to the urbanization. According to the Anderson, this is a movement or a migration to the village to the cities, and this is a process whereby village people or a rural community, a rural people migrated to the urban community. That's why urban is growing very fast. This is called as a growth and development. It is called as a urbanization. With respect to the business, trade, service, profession, attitudes, beliefs, values, and behavioral patterns, etc. Next definition is Thomas Warren in the Encyclopedia of Social Sciences has defined the urbanization as the movement is moving movement of people from communities concerned chiefly or solely with agriculture to other communities, generally larger, whose activities are primarily centered in government, trade, manufacture, or allied interest. This is the process, same, just like the process of migration, whereby rural yeah, tribal people migrated to the cities and changed their occupation, change their businesses, yeah, change their activities. Next one is Marvin Olson. Urbanization must consist of an inward flow of large number of people from scattered rural areas to urban communities. Means people was migrated to the cities because of the this process is called as a urbanization. Means cities are growing very fast and urban people generally urban population is growing with the rapid phase. It is called as a process of migration. You know, the rural people means traditional, yeah, rural people traditional dress is wearing here, and the people from rural areas to the urban areas means this is a route or village people going to the urban areas. Now the next one is characteristics of urbanization, and the first one is migration to urban centers. Emergence of factories led to the migration of people from rural and tribal areas to the factory locations. Means people has migrated to the factory location or industrial locations due to the impact of industrializations or the cities facilities was available there. This in turn led to gradual increase in the number of families living in and around the factories. This is called as a process of migration as well as number of families was increases there. it is called as a, around nearby the factories, it is called as a urbanization. Over a period of time, it led to population growth and residences around the factories. Means one factory was established and nearby all the number of families and one particular areas developed very fast. It is called as a urbanization due to the population growth and residences around the factories. Even today, the flux of people from all over the country continuously. For example, people was migrated to the backward areas to the developed areas. In reaching the urban centers is search of jobs or search for the works, because work is related to their status or a, because everybody's are already going to these urban centers, search of their own occupation, trade, business, professions, trainings, and all other education, etc. This movement of people for the purpose of employment has resulted into cities getting overpopulated. Due to this, means why people are already very crowded places, metropolitan cities, just like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, yeah, Bengaluru, yeah, Kolkata, all the metropolitan big cities generally they are growing very fast, growing due to the overpopulations, because number of people was already migrated and settled down nearby the industries. That's why the urbanization within a rapid phase. Such cities are expanding, turning into metropolises. For example, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur in Maharashtra, all the cities are very growing very fast due to the impact of industrializations. And industrialization leads to the urbanization. For example, see, everybody is already related to the employment, education, search for jobs, search for shelters, a search for food. They are related to their activities. Next characteristics is industrial growth and commutations. Industrial growth is an essential feature of urban centers today. India has led earlier phases of urbanization. Migration as a result of industrial expansion led to spatial segregation, which means the place of residence and one's place of work drift apart with the passage of time. Means it is a necessity to develop the industrial sectors, because the number of people was unemployed and they have already provided the services or jobs or facilities which one is concerned about the human beings. It is not uncommon to find people in large cities spending 3-4 hours in commuting to and from the workplace. Nearby 3-4 hours already travel from their workplace. For example, see, one is the industries. Everybody's are already transport going by roadways, airways, waterways, first facilities are available, and the big buildings related to the industrial development. See, this is the buildings whereby employee people, those who are already work in industries, is living here. Transport people was already going to these areas, and the industries was provided the jobs. This is the correlations. This is the correlation with each other. Next one is heterogeneity. Urbanization leads to heterogeneous gathering of people of different gender, sexuality, caste, creed, class, language, so forth. All other. Which one is a heterogeneity? Different gender, different sexuality, different caste, different creed, different class, different languages. The heterogeneous coexistence has led to breakdown of several traditional barriers where one's contribution becomes more valued. For example, see, India is belongs to the variety of people. For example, Hindu, Muslims, Sikh, Isai, and all other. All religion was together. Means multi-ethnicity is already there, multi-variety, multilingual, multi-genders, that multi-caste. all other aspect is related to the urbanization. Means urban people was heterogeneous people. Urbanization as a way of life. Louis Wirth used the phrase urbanization as a way of life. This is a way of life. Just like culture is a way of life, same urbanization is also a way of life. To describe what urbanization does to people living in urban areas, they develop a certain way of life which is typical of urban mindset, distant, secondary type relations, cal- calculative, independent, rational, less impact of traditions, family, religion, customs, etc. Because this is the urban community, they were dependent, individualism is there. Everybody's are already related to the individualistic lives. They can't given more importance to the religion, tradition, family, language, or customs. They have a self-dependent people, and they force their own way of life, and this is their typical life is there, typical mindsets, etc. is related to the urban life. Next one is civil administration. Urbanization implies controls and obligation that are not administered by traditional bodies such as panchayats, but municipal corporation is there. Such bodies are already responsible for planning, development and redevelopment as well of the urban areas. Just like in panchayat is already settled in the rural areas, yeah, planning commissions due to just like work for there, but same municipal corporation is one of the responsible bodies work in the urban areas. There are secondary modes of security control, for example law enforcement systems such as traffic signal, city police, etc. The municipal corporation is work in urban areas. Traffic signal means the way of life is totally different from the rural areas, and this is the police stations whereby all the people was going related to their complaints. Next one is specialized division of labor. Skills, training, specialization and super specialization carry a special significance in the urban scenario. Those who are already skilled labor, trainer, yeah, specialized people given more importance to the urban areas. Division of labor is based on one's skills and expertise. Just like division of labor based on industries, but those who are already rank in the high social status rank or their expertise, and the skill is depend upon the person, and those who are division of labor is high rank given more importance to the society. For example, in a factory, different managers are appointed as a specific task: productions, finance, marketing, sales, advertising, etc. Even with these people are work for the industries and industrial growth, but all these are related to the urbanizations, means urban development. The all the characteristics of the urbanization, and urbanization where special all the characteristics we are already discussed, but the main points is characteristics of urbanization, first one, but the definition is given here, and then next characteristics: migration to urban areas, next industrial growth and commutation. Next one is heterogeneity. All these are the characteristics of the urbanization. Urban as a way of life, civil administration, specialized division of labor. This is the characteristics of urbanization, how people are live in urban areas and what are the reason behind it. Because urban is a center for all the aspects, just like education, training, industries, health, all aspect was gathered there. That's why people was already moving from the urban rural areas to the urban areas. Okay, thank you.